Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to fix the missing Facebook Watch Video icon tab on your Facebook mobile app. So you open your Facebook mobile app and suddenly notice that the Watch Video icon tab is missing. And it really bothers you if what happened to your Facebook now, while before, it is just there, but now it is gone. Don't worry, I'll try my best to help you with your problem. Just follow this few simple steps to help fix this problem. So first thing you have to do is open your Facebook app. Tap this 3 horizontal lines located on the upper right side of your screen. Then scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Scroll down and click Tab Bar. Click Customize the bar. Scroll down and tap the arrow down on the video. Click Hide. Click again the arrow down on the video. Then click Pin. Now close your Facebook and reopen it again. You may now see the Watch Video icon tab, but if the Watch Video icon tab is still missing,
oh no! Oh no!
You tripping, bro? You tripping?
try updating the Facebook app from the Play Store. Open the Play Store. Then search for Facebook. Update your Facebook if an update is available. And by updating your Facebook app, this usually fixes the problems that you are encountering from your Facebook app. Then, after updating, open your Facebook app again and see if this has fixed your problem.
Oh no!
Mario, what are you doing? Ah! Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And if not, try restarting your phone to refresh your apps, including your Facebook app. Now open your Facebook app and check if this resolved the problem.
Oh no! Oh no!
And if this does not fix your problem, you may now report your problem to Facebook's Help and Support. To do this, just open your Facebook app, tap this 3 horizontal lines located on the upper right side of your screen. Scroll down and click Help and Support. Click Report a Problem. Scroll down and click Continue to report a problem. Scroll down again and click Include. Scroll down and click Video. So in this box here, write your problem regarding your Facebook Watch Video icon tab. Tell them that the Watch Video icon tab is missing. You can also take a screenshot of the problem to help them better understand your issue. And after that, just click Send, located on the upper right side of your screen. Now wait for 24 to 48 hours for the Facebook support to fix this problem. Or you may check your Facebook app from time to time and see if the problem has fixed. And that is how to fix the missing Facebook Watch Video icon tab on your Facebook mobile app. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.